Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified when new videos come out.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm planning to make grilled chicken cheese sandwich. So it's gonna be very crunchy, very crispy sandwich and very delicious sandwich. I'm gonna make two ways. I'm gonna make one sandwich on the pan and grill on the pan, and the other I'm gonna use the electric griller. So please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for grilled chicken cheese sandwich, I have some tandoori chicken. You can make any kind of grilled chicken you wanna make. You wanna make plain, or you wanna make tandoori flavor, or any other flavor you prefer. So you can use. So I roast it up and I marinate tandoori flavor and roast it up and dice chicken, and then I'm gonna add some ingredients. So I'm trying to make. You can make many different ways chicken salad. You can add apple, raisin, or pineapple. So I'm just using simple things. So I have a chopped onion, quarter of onion, red onion. I have a cilantro and green chili chopped up. And I have some green onion or pepper. It's already flavored, so I'm gonna add a little bit of and salt. This is Himalayan salt. And now I'm going to mix a little bit. Give a little mix. All the seasoning, all the ingredients mixed together. I'm going to add some couple of spoon of mayonnaise. It's a regular mayonnaise. And a squeeze of a little lemon juice. It's up to you. We're gonna mix everything. So here, it's ready. So now I'm gonna build my chicken cheese sandwich. So I'm using a white bread. You can use any bread you prefer. It tastes good actually on white bread. And then I'm gonna take some chicken salad, spread it around. Nicely everywhere. Use my cheese slice, and the other slice I'm gonna spread a little bit of mayonnaise, and like this. I'm gonna make one more similar way. Slice of cheese. And again, spread some mayo, cover it. I'm gonna cut the side. So this is my sandwich maker. I'm gonna make it hot. So now the best part, I'm gonna spread nice amount of butter on the top. And then we're gonna put in our sandwich maker, butter side down, and then we're gonna spread some on the top also, so both sides gonna be grilled nicely. So now we're going to cover the lid. We're going to force to cover it. It's locking up. So I'm going to leave it there for a few minutes, to cook it off. Now I'm arranging my other sandwich. I'm going to spread some mayonnaise. Some chicken salad. And then slice of cheese. And for this, I'm going to leave the crust on. I'm going to grill on the pan. So we're going to put the butter on. Put the both side. So I'm ready to grill. So our pan is hot. I'm going to leave our sandwich here for the grill. So it's grilling now. So we're gonna check the other side. Hopefully it's grilled nicely. Oh yeah. So we're gonna grill both sides. So we're gonna turn the other side again. It's ready now. I'm gonna do some presentation after this. This amazing sandwich is ready. So see guys, our sandwich ready. The grilled cheese sandwich look amazing. It's a little messy because whenever you cook in this sandwich maker, it makes a little mess, but it tastes very good. So I'm gonna do some presentation after I organize this. So I'm gonna cut our sandwich. I'm gonna show you in the middle how it looks like. See? So now we're gonna decorate our sandwich. And this is our grilled one. And I have some fries. I'm gonna put some fries. Both sides. Guys, this is our grilled cheese chicken sandwich. It's amazing. Platters look amazing. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, look amazing. You can try this recipe at home for your kids or for your family. It's a nice sandwich dinner. And please follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And if you like our videos, please consider subscribe our channel. And I will be back pretty soon with another exciting video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.